Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will start by preparing your phone and Discord so streaming works smoothly. Open the Discord app and sign in. Make sure you updated to the latest version so features exist. Grant microphone and camera permissions when prompted so audio and video transmit. Join the voice channel in the server or DM where you plan to stream. Once done, make sure other members are present or invited. This reduces interruptions and confirms you have the right channel selected before going live. Now you will initiate the live session. In the voice channel, tap the stream or screen share icon. This opens mode options. Choose whether to stream your screen, your camera, or both. Select resolution or frame rate if available to control bandwidth. Pick the audio source, microphone for your voice, system audio to share app sounds, or both for presentations. Once chosen, press Start Broadcast or go live. While streaming, monitor the small preview to confirm audio and visuals transmit correctly. Finish by managing and concluding the stream cleanly. During the session, use mute and camera toggles to control what viewers hear and see, and pin or spotlight key participants. When you're done, tap Stop Broadcast or leave channel to end the stream. Save any recording if Discord or your phone offered that option. If viewers report lag or no audio, restart the app, confirm permissions, and lower resolution or frame rate to reduce bandwidth. These steps usually resolve the most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.